Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video. I'm posting some videos of some older projects I've done just to get the channel up to speed. So for today I'm talking about our horseshoe pits that I put in. Kind of look at these, both of the backboards. I found kind of a section off to the side of the house here and figured it would work great for some horseshoe pits. Some of the features that I wanted in this was, one, for it to be at least regulation length, which it is. The stakes are 40 feet apart. And also the backboards, I wanted something sturdy that was going to hold up in the weather. And also, when you have guests over, to be able to put your drinks on top and, you lean up against it, it's not going to fall over. That sort of thing. Something that's going to last, years to come. The courts themselves, as I kind of go up closer, they're not, for the purists, they're not regulation in the sense I didn't put any kind of side boxes or anything like that. I have the foul line. The foul line I made with just a 4x4 pressure treated piece about 2 foot long, and just kind of drilled 2 holes in it and put some 1/2-inch rebar about 1 foot down into the ground. The stakes, what I did for that is I got some 4-foot gas pipe and just used a sledgehammer and kind of got it at a little bit of an angle, which is recommended for when you're setting up the stakes, and just kind of smashed it into the ground. It's sticking out about 16 inches or so, so it's in there pretty deep. It's not going anywhere, and when the horseshoes hit against it, it's not going to budge, it's not going to fall over, nothing like that. The ones that come with a set, when you buy a horseshoe set, they come with a short post, which is good for the park. But if you're going to use it at home and you want it to last, you want a nice long piece of pipe to be able to put down into the ground. Also, I didn't want to put any kind of cement. Sometimes you see them, people put a post like a coffee can filled with cement, and it just moves. It's not going to hold up. Plus, you're going to be hitting the cement can when you throw the horseshoes, and I didn't want anything like that. As far as the backboards are concerned, let's take a look at those. They're really sturdy, and I wanted something that was going to last in the weather, and also to be able to put drinks on or whatever, and people lean up against it. It's not going to tip over or anything like that. So the way that I made those is I used, for the top and the sides, I used 2x8s, and then for the front, I used 2x12s. So I used 3 sections of 2x12, and then the 2x8s for the sides. And then for the posts that kind of hold it all together and that I have in cement in the ground, I used 4x4s. And then just to hold the horseshoes, when not in use, I just found some of these pipe fittings and just kind of mounted it to the back there, and you can hang your horseshoes up when you're done, and it's just kind of out of the way. It works out good. So as far as the wood is concerned, I made it and I measured everything so that I only had to buy just single lengths of wood and not excess. So I'll put in the description the dimensions, kind of more detailed out, but for just to give you an idea, for one backboard, for the top, it's the top section is 46 inches wide, and then the sides are 33 inches, and the 2x12s on the front are 42 3/4. So it all kind of tucks together like that, and you only have to buy one piece of wood and all for each section, and it worked out good as far as my measurements. And then for the posts, those are just 4x4. I've got about 18 inches of it into the ground in cement, and the cement, I think I went through about 3 90-pound bags for each backboard. So again, I'll put that into the description. And I come up to it, and it's it's really sturdy. I mean, I can't move it. I mean, it's not going anywhere, and I wanted something like that that's going to last. But The distance here from the foul line, I did it, I think I did 32 inches there, and then from the back, I think I did 42 inches from the backboard on the stake. You want to give it a little space, but it's close enough. It's not regulation, but it's perfect for having friends over and so forth. So other than that, I may put some lights in here just to be able to play at night a little bit and do something like that. But other than that, we love it. It's holding up good. It's been there for about a year and a half and still holding up good. As far as paint, I just went to Lowe's and was going to buy some brown paint, and I went to the paint section and they have kind of paint that people return, and I just bought that. It's really cheap. They just kind of mark it down, and if you're just looking for something kind of miscellaneous, you don't have to be too picky on paint, and just go grab something, maybe some cheap paint. It's just regular outdoor paint, and it's fine. It's been out there a couple years in the sun and holding up good. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I will try to respond or help you out, and good luck in setting your horseshoe pits up. Have fun. Talk to you later. Bye for now.